Welcome to Linear Equations Level 2. Pause the video now, try the 5 problems on the screen, and I'll go through them with you shortly. You'll find more practice at this level, plus links to the higher levels, as well as other topics at the end of this video and on the channel homepage. In problem 1, we're solving the equation 2x plus 1 is equal to 9, and this means that we need to find the value of x. Now on the left hand side, we first need to remove the plus 1. So we use its inverse, which is minus 1, to remove it, and we do the same thing on the right hand side. So on the left, we just have 2x, and on the right, 9 minus 1 gives us 8. Now we need to remove the 2 on the left, and this 2 means that x is being multiplied by 2. So we use its inverse, which is divide by 2, and we divide both sides of the equation by 2. Now on the left, the times 2 and the divide by 2 cancel out, and so we're just left with x. And on the right, 8 divided by 2 is 4, and so x equals 4 is our final answer for problem 1. In problem 2, we're solving the equation 7y minus 4 is equal to 24. To start, we'd like to remove the minus 4 from the left hand side, and we can do that by using its inverse, which is plus 4. And we need to also add 4 to the right. Now minus 4 plus 4 is 0, so we're left with 7y, and on the right, 24 plus 4 is 28. To remove the times 7 on the left hand side, we use its inverse, which is divide by 7, and again, do the same to the right. The times 7 and the divide by 7 on the left cancel out, leaving us with y, and 28 divided by 7 is 4. So our final answer for problem 2 is y equals 4. In problem 3, we're solving the equation t over 6 plus 3 is equal to 10. And this means we need to find the value of t. So the first thing that we need to remove from the left hand side is the plus 3. And we do this by using its inverse, which is minus 3. And we do the same to the right hand side. 3 minus 3 is 0, so on the left we just have t over 6. And on the right, 10 minus 3 is 7, so t over 6 is equal to 7. Now this t over 6 means that t is being divided by 6, and the inverse of dividing by 6 is multiplying by 6. So we can times the left by 6, and the right by 6, and the divide by 6 and the times by 6 cancel out, leaving us with t. And on the right, 7 times 6 is 42. So our final answer for problem 3 is t is equal to 42. As an alternative to the first solution to this problem, we could first remove the divide by 6, and to do that we use its inverse and we times by 6. But what we need to make sure when we multiply an equation is that we multiply every single term by 6, including the plus 3 and the 10. So on the left, t over 6 multiplied by 6 gives us t, then 3 times 6 is 18, and 10 times 6 is 60. Now we just need to remove the plus 18, and the inverse of plus 18 is minus 18. If we do that to both sides, 18 minus 18 is 0, so on the left we have t, and on the right, 60 minus 18 is 42, which is our final answer. In problem 4, we're solving the equation 5 minus 6r is equal to minus 13. And to do this, we need to get the r on its own. So to start, we can remove the 5 on the left hand side by subtracting 5, because the 5 that's there is a positive 5, even though it doesn't have a plus in front of it. And the inverse of plus 5 is minus 5. And we also need to subtract 5 from the right. So 5 minus 5 is 0, so on the left we're left with minus 6r, and on the right, minus 13 minus 5 is minus 18. We now need to remove the minus 6 on the left, and this minus 6 is multiplying r, so the inverse of multiplying by minus 6 is to divide by minus 6, and we can do this on both sides of our equation. The times minus 6 and the divide by minus 6 cancel out on the left, so we're just left with r, and on the right, minus 18 divided by minus 6 is positive 3, and that's our final answer to problem 4. In problem 5, we're solving the equation d minus 12 all over 8 is equal to 1. Now on the left hand side, the first thing that we need to remove is the divide by 8, because this is dividing all of d minus 12. So we use the inverse of divide by 8, which is times by 8, and we do the same on the right hand side. Now the divide by 8 and the times by 8 on the left cancel out and leave us with d minus 12, and on the right 1 times 8 is 8. Now to finish, we just need to remove the minus 12 from the left hand side. Again, we use the inverse, and the inverse of minus 12 is plus 12. So we do this to both sides. The minus 12 and the plus 12 cancel out, leaving us with d, and on the right 8 plus 12 is 20. So our final answer for problem 5 is d equals 20.